whether it's business, healthcare, or environmental science, AI is really pushing boundaries and unlocking new potential.
Great. What are the key strengths of AI compared to traditional methods?
Yeah, absolutely. So traditional methods often rely on static rules or human designed algorithms, but AI can adapt and learn from data. AI models can make predictions, detect anomalies, and automate tasks at a scale and speed traditional methods just can't match. That flexibility is really what sets AI apart.
Okay, that's very good. AI in education. How is improving education and learning experience?
Yeah, so AI is really transforming education in a bunch of ways. It can personalize learning by adapting to each student's pace. It provides real time feedback, and it can even help automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus more on the students. So it makes education more inclusive and accessible in so many contexts.
Great. Can AI help students learn more effectively?
Absolutely. AI can offer tailored learning paths, like suggesting resources that fit a student's strengths and weaknesses. It can track progress, identify gaps, and even simulate environments like virtual labs or language practice so they can engage deeply with the material.
Okay. How can teachers use AI, save time, and improve teaching quietly?
Yeah, that's really powerful. So teachers can use AI to automate things like grading, attendance, and even crafting personalized assignments. AI tools can also provide insights into student performance, highlight which concepts need more focus, and free up their time so they can engage more deeply with each student.
Great. How is AI helping doctors diagnose disease more accurately?
Yeah, that's a big one. AI is really enhancing medical diagnosis by analyzing medical images like X rays, MRIs, or CT scans faster and often more precisely than a human. It can spot patterns that might be subtle or easily overlooked, which helps doctors confirm diagnoses earlier and tailor treatments more effectively.
Great. What role does AI play in medical research and drug development?
Yeah, AI is a game changer in that field. It can sift through huge data sets like genetic information or clinical trials much faster than humans. AI can even predict which drug compounds might work best, speeding up the development process, reducing costs, and ultimately getting these treatments to patients faster.
Can AI improve access to healthcare in remote areas?
Definitely. AI can power telemedicine solutions, so people in remote or underserved areas can get access to diagnosis and care through AI driven tools. It can also help with remote monitoring, predicting health risks, and providing guidance where traditional healthcare infrastructure might be lacking.
Okay. How are business using AI to improve customer service?
Yeah, so businesses are really leveraging AI for customer service through chatbots, virtual assistants, and automated support systems. These tools can provide quick 24/7 responses, personalize interactions, and even predict customer needs based on behavior. So it really boosts satisfaction and efficiency.
Okay. How does AI help companies understand customer behavior?
Yeah, great point. AI analyzes customer data like purchase history, browsing patterns, and even social media activity to spot trends and predict future behavior. This means companies can personalize marketing, tailor recommendations, and really anticipate what their customers are looking for. So it's all about being more proactive and customer centric.
That's very good. What impact is AI having on digital marketing and e-commerce?
Yeah, AI is really revolutionizing digital marketing and e-commerce. It helps personalize ads, recommend products based on user behavior, and even optimize pricing in real time. Plus, AI-driven insights help marketers understand what customers are working so they can tweak campaigns, increase conversions, and drive sales more effectively.
That's great. How can AI help farmers increase uh, crop production?
Yeah, AI is super helpful in agriculture. It can analyze soil conditions, weather patterns, and crop health from satellite or drone data. AI can predict crop yields, optimize irrigation, and even detect pests early, so farmers can make smarter decisions and boost productivity sustainably.
What role does AI play in addressing climate changes?
Yeah, AI is really key there as well. It helps model climate patterns, optimize energy usage, and even predict natural disasters. AI can also guide smarter resource management, like reducing waste, improving renewable energy deployment. So it's really helping us fight climate change with the data-driven strategies.
Okay, how is AI being used to manage natural resources more efficiently?
Yeah, AI is a huge asset in resource management. It can track water usage in agriculture, monitor deforestation through satellite imagery, and even optimize energy grids by balancing supply and demand. Basically, it helps us make smarter, more sustainable decisions about how we use and conserve resources.
Okay, great. What are some examples of AI that people use every day?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, think about virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. They're powered by AI. Recommendation systems like on Netflix or Amazon, that's AI too. Even things like smart photo tagging or navigation apps, they all rely on AI behind the scenes.
How does virtual assistant and recommendation system work?
Yeah, great question. So, virtual assistants use natural language processing and machine learning to understand what you say and then respond appropriately, whether that's setting a reminder or answering a question. And recommendation systems work by analyzing your past behavior. So, they look at what you've clicked, purchased, or watched, and then they predict what you might like next, tailoring suggestions just for you.
Okay, how is AI making everyday tasks easier and faster?
Yeah, it's really streamlining a lot of things. AI automates repetitive tasks like sorting emails, managing schedules, or even helping with smart home devices. So it frees up time, reduces friction, and lets us focus on more important or creative things.
That's great. What risk should society consider when using AI?
Yeah, that's really important. We have to think about privacy, bias in AI algorithms, transparency, and accountability. It's crucial that we ensure AI is used ethically, that it's fair, and that it respects people's rights and dignity.
How can we ensure AI is used responsibility and ethically?
Yeah, so we can do that by setting clear ethical guidelines, involving diverse teams in AI development, and regularly auditing AI systems for bias or unintended consequences. Plus, transparency, like clearly explaining how AI decisions are made, helps build trust and keeps everyone accountable. Yeah, that's a big one. People need skills like data literacy, critical thinking, and a solid understanding of how AI works so they can make informed decisions and interpret AI outputs. Collaboration skills are key too, because working with AI means partnering with it, not just using it as a black box.
Which real world problems do you believe AI will help solve next?
The search didn't return specific examples of which real world problems AI will solve next. Instead, it highlighted the key skills needed for the AI era, like AI fluency, analytical thinking, human centered skills, and adaptability, showing that as AI advances, these human skills will remain crucial.
Okay, what exciting AI invention can we expect in the coming years?
It's a bit hard to pinpoint exactly which real world problem AI will solve next, since progress is moving so quickly. Right now, AI is already tackling things like reducing healthcare burnout, optimizing supply chains, improving fraud detection in finance, and offering personalized tutoring and education. Experts suggest that AI's future breakthroughs will depend on domain knowledge, ethics, and human centered design, so staying adaptable and focused on real value is key.
Okay. What advice would you give to students who want to contribute to AI solution?
Yeah, I'd say focus on building a strong foundation in math, statistics, and programming, especially with languages like Python. Also, stay curious, explore different domains, whether it's healthcare, climate, or business. And don't forget soft skills like communication and problem solving, because AI is most powerful when it's applied to real human challenges.
Okay, thank you so much. Now it's time to hear from our audience. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Which AI application do you use most often? In which field do you think AI can make the biggest difference? What real world problem would you like AI to solve in the future? We would love to hear your opinions and questions. Today's discussion highlights that AI is not just about technology. It is about solving problems, improving lives, and creating opportunities. From education and healthcare to business and environmental sustainability, AI has the potential to help individual and communities achieve better outcomes more efficiently. The future belongs to those who understand how to use AI responsibility, creativity, and effectively. As we uh, as we connect you today podcast, I would like to thank all our viewers and participants for joining us exploring how AI solve real world problem, help use appreciate both is its potential and our responsibilities and shaping in its future. I hope today's discussion has inspired you to continue learning about artificial intelligence and to think about how you can use teaching technology to make a positive impact in your community and beyond. Thank you for support and engagement. I am Lubna Kausar, and it has been an honor to host this educational session. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep learning. Allah Hafiz, and see you in our next live podcast. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, ChatGPT.
That was a fantastic wrap up. You really set a great tone, and I think your audience will feel really inspired. I'm so glad I could help out, and I hope the rest of your live session goes amazingly well. If you ever need anything else, just let me know.